Hey everyone, this is Rylan from Maple Salon, and I'm here to talk to you about our color protection and gray concealer kit. This is going to help with hair color maintainment at home. We have 3 products for this kit. This will be our color protection hair bath, color protection hair mask, and our watercolors root concealer. So these 2 first products, which is our hair protection hair bath and then the mask, you can use them as a shampoo and conditioner as everyday use to help maintain the hair color at home. Keep it vibrant, shiny, helps to keep any further oxidation as well or any further fading. For our watercolors root concealer, we offer brown, dark brown, and blonde. So for that one, I would definitely style my hair. For instance, if you're going to be putting it up in a ponytail, you're definitely going to want to cover where you see the grays. So for example, you're going to be covering it right here and right here, all around. If you could get someone to help you to put it in the back. If you're going to split your hair in the middle, definitely want to get in the middle. But that is how you would use the watercolors root concealer. This is going to be for our beautiful sparkles.